Check out the latest Mustang in here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Particular one, as you can see, is a Fastback 1966 Fastback Mustang. Very nice looking car. This particular car, it is a C-code car, so 289 underneath the hood. Also nicely equipped. I had AC installed. It appears back in the day with one of the underdash units. Compressor and everything's still hooked up. I have not had it working, but we'll pop the hood and kind of show you what it looks like underneath there. Also power steering car. See the fog lights up front and the grille. Now this particular car, it has had a repaint along the way. You can tell as far as the interior looks pretty stock to me. Color of this car would have been ivy green metallic by decoding the door tag, and that would have been an R code paint. And as far as the trim, it was a 68 code trim, which would have been ivy gold and white in the luxury interior, which this would have had a luxury interior in it because it's a 63B body code, which would be Fastback luxury interior. If you want to check out the still pictures, then you can see underneath the hood, you can check out the interior, check out that data tag I'm talking about. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on that. That'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com where you can check out the still pictures of this car. Feel free to call us too. We can sure discuss it with you. 507-386-1726. Yeah, take a look underneath it. You can see the torque boxes. Good pictures of that close up. Be able to check this car over pretty well. Like I said, you can see it's a luxury interior, otherwise known sometimes as a pony interior. Nice shape. Again, the dash pretty much all appears stock. There's that AC unit that you can see is underneath. Now this was a 2+2, so you have to flip down where you see this dark stripe, by the way, right here. That's the shadow from the roof line. That carpeting is all the same color back there. It's not stained or anything like that. Since the interior's in nice shape. Headliner, I'll show you when we get around to the other side. Stock wheels, white walls. Again, nice looking car, bright work. Lots of times you would see, like around the rear taillight bezels, even the gas cap in the rear, start to see a lot of pitting on those. You do not see that on this car. This car was originally delivered San Jose DSO on the data tag. Transmission in this one is the C4 automatic, by the way, paired up with that 289 that's underneath the hood. I would call the paint a nice driver quality. Will you see some blemishes in it? Yeah, possibly here and there, but overall, very nice paint. This particular car wasn't a collection that we bought. A gentleman had passed away, family decided to move some of the collection. This was one of the ones that came out of there. Very nice Fastback Mustang. Let's go ahead and come over here and take a look up and down the side of the car. You can see it's not full of nicks, scratches, dings. The car's nice and straight and appears to fit well. Let's go ahead and check this interior and we'll start it up so you can hear it run. Pretty much what you'd expect from a 66 Mustang. Again, here's door cards. You know, vinyl seats and everything in nice shape. Again, it appears to me that this would be very easily the stock interior in this car. Let's go ahead and fire it up. One thing that I can tell you I did have working for sure was the radio. AM radio worked fine. All the gauges seem to work. See how easily the car starts. Oil pressure rises right up. Fuel gauge appears to be half amps, and I haven't had it running, so the temp meter's not going to be up or anything. Now it's a cold start. Radio did work, wipers did work. Like I said, I did not have the AC going at all, but when we pop the hood, I'll show you what's there and what isn't. Otherwise, pretty much stock dash. Center console, C4 automatic shifter there. Check out the headliner. That door closes, slip around to the back. Again, just pretty much what you'd expect. A little 289 to sound like in this car. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second, slip up to the front here. Let's get this hood open so you can check out underneath the hood and look at the engine bay. All right, here we go. Get the hood open. Check out the 289. As you can see, the AC compressor, everything's still hooked up good. Power steering. 289 runs nice and smooth. Clean under the underside of the hood. Pretty much a stock engine bay, what you'd expect out of a 1966 Mustang. Nice looking car, smooth running car. A fun one to take to any of your local cruise-ins, local shows. Don't see a lot of these fastbacks and then still kind of set up the original way it would have rolled off the Ford dealers showroom floor. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Again, down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you to uniqueclassiccars.com where you check out all the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can sure assist with you, assist getting this car to you, no matter where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you. Give us a call, 1966, beautiful Mustang Fastback.